I also found that glasses fit in here really well, and I'm able to see everything on here. Also, there is something to do with, as soon as I get this done, there is a back, there is the FN button right here. If you push that, press it to show the focus cursor, and swipe forward and back, fingers on, and you can zoom in and out. Move your head and then tap and touch the panel to define the focus point. So I'll be doing that. Also, this has got somatic control, which means head tracking, and the aircraft will, and the gimbal will be controlled by your head movement of the goggles. So that should be pretty cool as soon as I get the firmware updated again. Hey, Dana here, and this is a continuation of getting the new DJI goggles connected with my Mavic Pro. Well, come to find out after watching, what is his? I was looking for something or other, and I had to go on. Alright, we're back. Well, come to find out, I've got to update my firmware on those goggles. So right now, I was having a little bit of a problem finding the download on it, and where you got to go is up here to DJI.com/DJI center space goggles/info downloads, and then you're over here with these. This tells you where you need to be. And this is also, if you go up here, it's also tutorials on that as well. So what you do, you got two of them. You got one for Windows and the other one for Mac, Apple. And I already zipped that down. It should be good. It's down here now. So now, you're gonna plug in your goggles with the cable that you got. I'll put the goggles up there, and hope they ain't right. It says DJI Assist 2+2. Opening in 52 minutes. Great. Oh Jesus! If it ain't something, it's always something. While I'm waiting for that firmware to download, I'm going to try and get this made up. And I believe everything's the same as what it was yesterday. Because I was having a problem trying to figure out how to get it to mate. So I'm going to kick everything in here. And I found if you originally had that set upside down, once you set it, it's automatically going to kick back over. Okay, good. So that kicked over. So it is waiting to connect with the drone. And I'm firing the drone up. Let's get over here. See what I'm doing. Okay, she's firing up there, and check apps. DJI 4 go. All right. Disconnect this here. We're going to try and get them to connect up here. Come to find out. Wow. I gotta put these on. So everything's connecting. I decided, I guess I gotta wear a stocking cap to do this, because my head is just too small for this one. I'm curious about the sport mode. Why have I got one eye showing and one not? I gotta figure out how this works. Now wait a minute. Yeah, go back. Let's see, what do I? No. Oh my word. Now I gotta figure out why I'm only seeing one eye. And the other side of the house is, why am I in? Why am I not in English? Okay. Let's see. Alright, start back up again. Okay. No. No. I need to go back completely, dude. No. I don't know how to do it any other way. Shut it down. Where's menu? Where's the menu? The menu. I don't know what I'm doing. I do another. I gotta shut it down. Okay, let's bring it back up. There we go. Try again. Okay. Try again. We're gonna go okay. Okay. There you go. Alright. Sweet. Okay, next, go terms of agreement. And now we're going to go to assistant. Okay. I want to go Wi-Fi. Okay. I wanted to go mobile. There you go. Okay, you want to go mobile when you're in here. And we're going to go, okay, now she's counting down. And I'm going to find out on the bottom of here is the button to I can't see. Can't see it. 2. Oh man. Get a pen. Alright. I've got 22 seconds left. Nothing to do that with. Oh my word. My pen. Okay. Hurry up. I'm gonna find that. There we go. Little red button there. Let's see if she's. Hey, linking complete. Oh no. Ha ha ha. Okay. Linking complete. Why have I only got one eye? Jeez. I don't know why I got one eye. Okay, they are connected. C1, C2 now equivalent in function. And black bucket. Black bucket. Black button. Press C1, C2 to simultaneously set in motion here. Oh, I hate that button. Okay, the button's on the back. Okay, let's go next. Okay, C5 remote controller can be used to touch basic operations. Okay, that's this one here. And complete. Okay, take off action. Mobile device. Take off. Take off. And activate. Okay. Okay. Okay, I got activating. Going down here. Okay. Hardware terms. Yes. By activating aircraft, you agree to yes. Reactivation. Product activation is required before DJI goggles. First step below to activate. Next. Okay, confirm. Link to the account shows this tool is warranty. Okay. Okay. Activation successful. For flight, you can improve your flying skills with a built-in flying simulator. Okay. Enter and tap flight simulator. Right click simulator. Oh. Okay. I'm actually at myself.